I'm imagining a world where every human being lives by the purest principles of kindness, compassion, and integrity. A world where love isn't just an emotion, but the foundation of every decision, every action, and every interaction. This world is not perfect by accident. It is perfect by design, the result of millions awakening to their higher selves, casting away fear, greed, and divisiveness, and instead embracing unity as the ultimate truth. In this world, the air is alive with harmony. Cities hum not with chaos, but with cooperation, where architecture blends seamlessly with nature, and every structure reflects humanity's collective creativity and respect for the earth. Forests flourish beside gleaming towers, rivers run clean and free, and the stars shine brighter, visible even in the hearts of the busiest metropolises. Here, people understand that every choice ripples outward, touching countless lives. Schools no longer simply teach, they inspire. Children learn not just facts, but wisdom, how to live with purpose, how to communicate with empathy, and how to channel their dreams into action. Teachers are revered as mentors, and every student is nurtured into their full potential, their unique gifts celebrated as pieces of a vast, interconnected puzzle. Imagine streets where strangers greet each other with genuine smiles. Crime has dissolved not because of stricter laws, but because no one feels the need to harm another. The hunger for power has been replaced by the joy of service, and wealth is measured not in material possessions, but in the richness of relationships and the depth of personal fulfillment. Healthcare is no longer a privilege, but a birthright. Physicians and healers work not for profit, but for purpose, using cutting-edge technology alongside ancient wisdom to heal not just bodies, but hearts and minds. Mental health is honored as equally vital, with spaces for reflection, meditation, and connection woven into every community. Energy flows clean and infinite, powered by the collective ingenuity of a humanity that finally realized the power of working together. Transportation is seamless and sustainable. Every journey, whether across a city or across the globe, leaves the world untouched, as though no footprint was ever left. Conflict still exists, but it is resolved with words, not weapons. Leaders are not rulers, but servants, chosen for their humility, wisdom, and dedication to the greater good. Borders dissolve into pathways for collaboration, and nations become one unified earth, celebrating diversity as the threads of a beautiful, unbreakable tapestry. How did this world come to be? It began with a spark, a collective decision by individuals to rise above the noise of their lower selves. It started with small, conscious acts. A hand extended in forgiveness, a word spoken in kindness, a choice made with integrity. As these ripples collided, they became waves, washing over societies and breaking down barriers of fear and mistrust. The transformation was not forced, it was chosen. Each person looked inward, confronting their shadows, embracing their higher self, and realizing that the change they longed for in the world started within. Through shared vision, open dialogue, and relentless love, humanity rewrote its story. Technology played its part, bridging divides and amplifying wisdom, but it was the human spirit, unshackled and soaring, that carried the world into this new era. It was people remembering that they are not separate from each other, nor from the earth, nor from the divine essence that connects all things. Now, every sunrise feels like a promise kept. Every heart beats with purpose, and every soul knows, without a doubt, that this world, this breathtaking, radiant world, is what humanity was always meant to create. This is not just a dream. It is the potential that has always lived within us. It is the world waiting to be born when we choose to honor the principles that make us truly human, and it begins with you.